Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I have not picked up the camera. It's nothing new. All week. It's Thursday and it is the 15th. I just got my dress in, and hey to my people. I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. And to my day ones, of course, welcome back. You guys know I love having you. So I ordered this here from, I got this Nicole Lynn. Wait, it's Linnell. Sorry, Nicole Linnell. And guys, I bought my, I had said my first wig, but it's actually my second wig ever in life. And I'm super excited. Like it is and I'll show you guys because I have my phone propped up, using it to prop my phone. So I'll move my phone in just a minute and I'll show you. But let me get, okay, here we go. Now, let's get in here. Let's get in this package. There's this little Burrell. There's my doll.
You got the dress?
I did. I got the dress. No, I didn't get. Okay, so let me tell y'all. I ordered a dress for the wedding. They said my dress would be here on the 20th. Okay? Dress is not going to make it. The dress for the wedding will not be here.
What the dress is.
I just ordered a dress for the wedding. Oh, I ordered one like a few days ago for the wedding. It's supposed to be here on the 20th. And it's not going to be here. For the first time, Amazon let me down. Okay? But it's okay. It's okay. So now I'm pressed for time to find a dress for the wedding. But this is the dress I... Oh!
That's for me. What size is that?
No, do you not see? You see straight through this?
Oh. Wear a bathing suit under it.
Y'all, I'm done at this point.
Wear a bathing suit under it.
That's what I'm going to have to wear.
Yeah, put it on.
I'm not showing my people, but I'm going to try it on, though. But I told them they can see me in it at the beach. Yeah. But, okay, y'all, it's for show beach material. Okay, I mean, like, can y'all see this? I hope y'all can see this. I know the light is really sucking right now, but y'all, this is straight see-through. Like, I gotta wear a whole full bathing suit, like bodysuit. Oh, my Lord Jesus. Why is nothing working out for me? Like, oh, my Lord. But I'm gonna have the best time on my trip. This dress is just for, like I said, just for the beach, just for an outing, like if we go have dinner or something like that. And yeah, it's gonna be real sexy. And let me show you guys my let me show you guys this wig. It's the Janet, I hope y'all see that, the Janet Melt natural hairline with 3/6 frontal part. I'm sorry, 13 by 6 frontal part. 13 by 6 frontal part. It's really cute because I'm probably gonna like part it in the middle, but I'm gonna play with it. So I was like, listen, I don't wear wigs. You know, I have my little clip-ins that I've worn maybe maybe 3 times probably. And so I was like, listen, when I say I need some help, so shout out to Nicole. She is amazing. She helped me get everything I needed for my wig because I was like, listen, girl, the wig will be hanging on the side of the purse before I'm done with it. So please, I need something I could take off and put on. I don't want nothing just stuck on my head. So what's up? No, for real. Hey, you guys, I am up in this camp and I am about to do my first wig. Today is Monday. And yeah, y'all know this is my pre-maintenance, getting ready for Cabo. So this is my wig. It's all right, y'all. This is synthetic. It's a mix, synthetic and real. So I can put some heat on it. It's in the gym. Yeah, the pep rally. That's gonna be fun. Y'all, my kids, y'all, okay, so when I grew up, We had pep rallies and we kicked it. I'm recording, so you know you don't want to be in my video. And we kicked it. So my son, he doesn't go to a private school. My girls went to a private school, so they didn't get to experience pep rallies and all that. So my son, he gets to experience it. So it's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, I mean, he gets to kick it, you know what I'm saying? But he real laid back, cool, pimping and cool, you know what I'm saying? I mean, like, he ain't with the shit, so yeah. I mean, it ain't like he just gonna be really kicking it and stomping his feet and clapping his hands. Like, he gonna be chillaxing, okay? Because y'all gotta know Jizzle to know. So, what does he play? So, yeah, this is my wig. And I'm waiting on my sister-in-law. So, she's bringing me the dryer so I can install it, y'all. I have never installed a wig. This is my first time. I am not nervous at all, of course. I mean, how hard could it be? Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I went ahead and sprayed the Wonder Lace bun on my hair, or around my edges or whatever, and put on the band wig. Here I am.
Come on up.
It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. And then I'm going to just pull it like this. And y'all, I don't know, like it's supposed to be like this, right? On the sides. Y'all, I'm gonna have to cut some more of this thing under there.
Yeah, you have to cut that off. Well, you have to cut this much off.
I gotta cut more of that. I'm scared it's gonna be on my face. I don't want it on my edges. Okay, this how far this wig gonna come, because right there, y'all. This is it. This is as far as it's coming, because I don't want
Where
this
your wig cap at?
under there. You see it?
Okay, so this the wig cap?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I gotta cut that. compared to this.
Way better.
Like, honey, she gonna lay them. And look at y'all. I just need y'all to look at. Y'all see the vision? Do you see it? Do you see it coming together? I'm just saying. Do you see it coming together? Look how good that look. That I took some of the thickness out. This is, I like this wig, seriously.
Oh, this is a Jenny collection. Jenny's is good.
Mm-hmm. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. So, I am about to, it is, I guess I should get, I'm just getting straight to the point, right? It is Tuesday, and hope the air blowing all in you guys' face is not it, right? So, it's Tuesday. I'm about to stop and pick up my sister-in-law. And then I am going to Dillard's. So that's all together. And so now I'm about to pick her up so we can go and look at this Peyton Charles. Thanks, girl. I finally smelled that Mirror and Tonka at Dillard's over the weekend. And I didn't know how I felt about it. Like, I was like, I know it's masculine. I understand. I'm not really a fruity perfume girl. I I just don't know how I felt about it. But then I got home and my 18-year-old daughter was like, oh my God, you smell so freaking good. And I was like, I do? I was like, okay, Peyton Charles, come on through, boo. So yeah, I'm going back to Dillard's and smell it. I'm going back to Dillard's and get one last sniff. And just, we don't leave for Cabo until Thursday. We'll be heading out to Dallas because we're flying out from Dallas, of course, Fort Worth Airport, going to Cabo. So yeah, so that's, you know, you guys will see me here and there grabbing my camera, having a little combo and moving right along. So I hope everybody's been having a wonderful day, because I think I'm just so excited about going to Cabo, you guys. Like, I am so ready to go. Like, I need a vacation so bad. Stop playing with her. Okay guys, so I'm back because I need this mirror and top.
Hello, ladies.
There it is.
I got ready to talk over that.
I had to come back.
It's cold.
This it right here.
It's mad.
Can you spray it so these ladies
Sure
can
will.
smell it? And then they have the candle through.
Made.
Oh my God. You like it?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's the juice.
That's it.
I didn't get
We got a few sissy with y'all.
He said that's the
Most of we do. You know it.
Is this it? That's it. She said, is that it?
Different than what you would expect, isn't it?
That's the one that was on my arm.
She had it on. It's
Remember you
different.
sprayed it on me because you was like, somebody came. You said like 3 people that came in here asking for this.
That's right. That was the same one person today. But
see
now
what's
you're
getting
my
wrapped
second.
up.
Yes, ma'am.
That's Joe Malone. Yeah.
Joe Malone.
And this is my wonderful guy.
Hello,
He helped me
hello.
last week.
My name is Harley. Just tell me to rev it up and I'll come running.
Hello.
I'm gonna come running.
Yeah. Yes. Which one you loving? My scalp is dry in there, so let's put some oil right up in there. We have a birthday lunch today at work, guys. I'm excited about that because y'all know I like me a free lunch. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Just don't know who wouldn't like a free lunch. I mean, seriously, let me get this white residue off my face because this stuff will make a white residue if you don't rub it in good. You can't have that. Folks looking at me at work like a cracker. All right, let's drop my vitamin C serum. I gotta show y'all these new, I don't know if I showed y'all this. This is vitamin C Advanced Clinical. Need to go today. Hope I have a chance, but this Tatcha got me. Like, I feel like, yeah, I have a pimple patch on, but like as far as like really having breakouts, it's like I'll get a little like a pimple wanna form, but it goes away. The face cream got me. Like, I literally have not been having any breakouts since I started using that cream. Don't know, and I didn't used to have breakouts anyways. Like, I would get a pimple every now and then when I started my cycle. Nothing serious. And lately, I have just been breaking out all the dang time. And I'm like, what the freak is going on? But seriously, I started using this Tatcha. It's the rice water. And just that sample. And I haven't noticed any breakouts. So, and I really love this serum I got. The serum and the cream. I use it with the cream on, then the serum.
But
we pressed for time this morning. So yeah, all right. And y'all, it just gives a little glow, that cream, serum, whatever. And you know that vitamin C will work on these blemishes that I got from these pimples that want to keep attacking me. Ew. We ain't doing that. All right, so yeah, let me just show y'all. These are a few of the items I'm gonna be taking with me. Of course, I'm gonna just take some earrings, my Michael Kors watch. I'm about to put these earrings on now. I need to get the other earring for this one. I got these cute little earrings from actually Cracker Barrel. Too cute. I'll take these here. It's 2 pair of those, which I need to get the other one out of my drawer. I'll take my flat irons, my blow dryer, of course my Makeup Forever, and then more makeup. And then I will take my Manuka honey, my vitamin C, of course my acne patches just in case. And I have the Super Goop sunscreen, but I think I'm gonna get something a little stronger than that. So this is my luggage. Y'all don't even look over there like, honey. Early this morning on my way to the revenue because birth certificate. I have to get my license straightened out. Good morning. I didn't even tell y'all it's Thursday. Hey, hey. So anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm on my way inside the revenue office so I can get my name straightened out because they have my first name and my last name switched around. So we are not going to be able to get on the plane if we don't get that situated. So here we go. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this straightened out. Come on, luggage. Let's get packed up and roll out.
That's why I want my film, because I want to take pictures of my Polaroid film. She didn't want me that much. She shouldn't have had kids.
I'm up, y'all. I'm not too crunk, but I'm up. And it is Friday. We are at Doubletree Hotel. Yeah, it's Friday morning, like 6:30. So we are getting ready to go to the airport, waiting on the shuttle, so we can head on to Cabo. The flight is 2 hours and 48 minutes, so basically 3 hours. Keep us in your prayers, and I will see you guys in the airport probably. Oh, come on, man. Hey to the vlog. Y'all see my Dixie? Oh, hey. And yes, we made it. Hello. We in the house. Cabo, baby. So y'all, I'm supposed to be showing y'all my food before I get started. This is the shrimp burrito and some beef tacos, and I already took a bite, so I'll just show y'all this little section of it. Give me a little mix here and some salsa. Hey guys, so we made it to Cabo. Hey sissy. Hey sissy. So I just thought I should give you guys a tour of the room because I almost forgot to do so. I did. I almost forgot, guys. Look at the beach that we can't go on. Say hey. They say hey to the people. So it's absolutely beautiful. I'll show y'all me. One day I'm in my towel, so I just took the iron out, so yeah, excuse that. This is one of the bathrooms here. Big walk-in shower. I am standing outside at the Sunmont. My husband and I and my brothers, they need to come on down because we supposed to be at rehearsal. We like 5 minutes late. How are we gonna be late for rehearsal? Seriously, like who does that? Oh, so yeah, we're waiting on the Uber to come and pick us up to take us to rehearsal. And then I am going to the pool because I have my bathing suit on under my dress. And y'all look at these 2 oil spots. What the freak? I have 2 oil spots on my dress, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, sitting here waiting on them to come and pick us up. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. Like I said, oh yes, go to the pool. I'm sorry, I do know what we're gonna do. I meet my niece and my daughter and my son at the pool. So we'll go hang out at the pool, do a little sunbathing, and I'll come back and get dressed so we can do the dinner later. Yes, we already called. Y'all need to come on while we late. Y'all need to come on. Come on. Your phone don't work, mine does. I called already. You don't have 1 minute. We already late. Hell. Y'all hear this? Give me 1 more minute. No, you don't have a minute. This ain't no fashion show. We just got to go do this little practice. And I'm not even in the wedding. Yes. All right. So, yep, that's what we're about to do. Go to this. I'm going with my husband. The women has to show up and support the men. It's 2 more coming down the stairs.
Okay.
Hey. Y'all, I shouldn't have been eating until I left out.
The trip was over.
I shouldn't have ate until next week.
Hey, bring that ladder down.
Since I ate all this week and last week and the week before, like I wasn't going nowhere, you know, on vacation. It is so pretty, y'all. So now my stomach's paying for it. But it's okay, because when I go back, for real, when I get back, I'm going so hard. Like, I have to get myself snatched. Like, be prepared to be sick of me next summer, okay? Because she gonna get it together. I'm tired of talking about it and then be slacking because it's not good. It's not good. Just got back from the practice and everybody is just drained like this much because it's so hot outside. So freaking hot. It's okay. It only took about 30 minutes. The guys know what they're supposed to do. Everybody know their placement, and that's what was important. So now we are just sitting here relaxing. Guys, I have on my Shein glasses. Let me show y'all how cute they are. You like them? I like those. And I have on my bathing suit, and let me show you what I have on her. I just threw this on because I really didn't bring a cover up. So yeah, this is my outfit, my dress, and I got this from Shein as well. You guys remember I showed you guys this in a haul. So that's what I threw on for today, and I just have on my gold slides that I threw on. So yeah, that's our outfit. Even on this door like that. You gonna be. Where Noodle at?
I'm Courtney Lorraine. I walk. She walked. Yeah, it's gonna stuff. But I was gonna ask you which cover up.
What? Oh, I would wear some see-through.
Yes, that's what
You
I'm
not
saying.
wearing no see-through? You can see through this dress.
No, you can't.
No, you can't.
Barely. But I don't think I like it with this.
Yeah, that's not.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
I just.
First off, I
Kiki?
need a light on. I would like for my people to be able to see.
It's time to go.
So I just want to show you my outfit for tonight. Sorry, the lighting is awful, but this is my outfit for tonight. I'm just wearing it with my little gold clutch, with my gold earrings, of course. We did a little, when I say light beat, okay, we filled these brows and put a little powder on. So yeah, so that's that. I wanted to wear heels with this dress is what I actually had planned, but we are having dinner on the beach, like I said earlier, and it's in the sand. So I will see you guys at dinner. All right. And you guys, I got this dress from Nicole Linnell, and I will link it down below. I'll try to remember. All right, guys, see you at dinner. Okay, guys, so look how absolutely stunning that is. This is where we're having my sister-in-law's dinner. Oh, what does that say, guys? Oh, yes. Look, we're out on the ocean at night. I know you guys, of course, we can't see the water, but can you hear it? Hey. Oh, hello. Guys, it is day 2, Saturday of Cabo. Oh my god, y'all hear what I sound like? So you know, on the little clips before, the little snippets of the litty. Yeah. I wish we were up a little higher. It's beautiful.
Who said I need to be close?
Y'all, look how cute my daughter is. How adorable is she? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, this little body yaddy. Hello, everybody. Hey, y'all see I'm driving? Hey, guys.
Get in here,
Don't start. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Hey.
He ready to go.
Jump.
Yeah, that man said, come on airplane, TPI. So you get that TPI ready to get an airplane.
Hey, y'all see I'm
This I
driving?
forgot to go to the bank.
Yeah.
Ready, everyone?
We're ready. Yes.
Yeah, ready.
What do you like?
Marketplace.
Market, vamos. What's the best breakfast? Best for breakfast?
Is that the best breakfast?
We want a bistro.
They got breakfast?
Bistro.
Yeah, we want a bistro.
Is that good?
Bistro is good.
Okay.
It's only 2 breakfast places.
No, the marketplace
No, they
got
have real
breakfast.
food.
But
American somebody.
y'all want to be straight. We got a whole list of this place. I seen the last night.
Y'all, this is beautiful.
You got a lot
That's the lady behind the camera, y'all. Did you get Marine?
Trying to vlog. Always trying to vlog. Don't never be in the camera.
All the way to Mexico.
Oh, wedding. Cling, 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 cling.
Yeah, I'm taking light though the rest of the day though. Yeah.
Plus the pancakes.
Cold.
I want them a little warmer.
I love the hollow.
I know.
Yes. Love, love, love it.
Look at the babies. Look. I should have brought the babies.
Oh.
Y'all like these? Yes.
I do
Miss
like
Bella.
those. They
Hold
look
on.
like a for here. Love them. All these cute little shoes. I love these.
They got hats.
I see. Oh no, that's way too big for me. That would mean, I think I have mine. If I don't have it in Keisha, I want yours. I would like to use those. That boat is humongous. There's something behind this statue. Hey, hey. It's Sunday, guys. Oh, tomorrow we go home. I miss y'all. I didn't pick up the camera last night at the reception because, oh my gosh. We are about to just hang out on the beach today and get real toasted. So, yeah. So we're about to get some sunblock. Chocolate around here.
Yes. Mommy,
Huh?
I'm gonna get it. It's 25, but I'm gonna get it.
$25? Hell no. We got some sunscreen.
That is not enough. And you're supposed to keep
$25.
putting it on every 30 minutes. We're gonna be out here for a long time. And we're going downtown.
I'll pay for it.
No, I'll pay for it. That's what I'm saying. I have the money.
Shop.
Okay, I'm gonna have it. Yeah.
Hey. They probably like, what the hell is she doing? People probably like, what the hell is she doing? I'm taking a video. Oh my God, wait, face all in the camera. RJ already said, don't have your face that close in the camera.
Vlog.
Hey guys. Y'all know we kicking in here. Y'all, I wish we would have footage of us almost drowning. When I say it was like, how many people out there?
8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Some.
It was a lot of us that almost drowned all at once.
That water took.
But I'm talking about we were sitting down and almost drowned. It's just out of control. Were we sitting down or is that when we were all rinsing?
We were trying to rinse.
Oh God, y'all, we were trying to rinse because if you know anything about the beach and sand, your underwear, your bathing suit bottoms, oh my God, it was full of sand. So yeah, everybody was in the water, even the men, trying to rinse themselves off down low. And yeah, the wave almost took everybody out. So that's what happened with us having a sunset something. Miami Vice. Miami Vice.
At sunset.
Sorry, we'll do sunset later. It must need me to drink it. And some. Get that sand off your bubble head, Nathan. Don't dump it in the cup. Alright, so I just want to show y'all, and we'll be back. Oh, babe, yours look real fruity. Hey, guys. I sound all boring, don't I? Get crunk. I get crunk. Awful.
Because my hair's wet, so maybe the stats again.
Yeah. Depends on how you wearing. I guess it wouldn't matter though. So the ladies and RJ is gonna be the only little guy. Are going shopping downtown, and of course I have my what is this thing? Tripod now. So I can take you guys along with us during this little shopping activity because we are about to have a good time, and hopefully we can have a drink while we shop downtown. I don't know now, it's so hot out here. Oh my Lord Jesus.
On his eyes.
Listen, it is so hot. I need an ankle bracelet. The fat ankles, your ankles look fat though.
Nisha, you can adjust it, you brat.
So yeah, she has on cute. Let me show you. See the ankle bracelets. Can y'all see them? So yeah. Are you wearing those shoes?
No, girl, they felt good.
I was about to say, girl, you're gonna get your feet gonna be killing you.
I ain't put no lotion on.
I didn't either because I don't think I need it. Hot as it is,
It's so hot.
I don't want to be sweating. So yeah, we're about to go shopping. What? Now, do they look like it's on you?
I can see the record button.
And you got to see you in it. Funny. So yeah, all the your hat and your glue.
You're not wearing it?
You know what I'm saying? But I will
No, because I got this hair up in this thing, and it's not gonna work.
Need to.
I know, but it's not gonna work up in this
I'm
bone.
gonna go with y'all, baby.
And I don't wanna move it.
You got it right.
So I will see you guys outside. Catch me outside. Period. Period. Don't even get started with that stupid. Okay, because I don't like it. You need some help? Let's see.
Half
Okay,
eaten,
let's
one
see.
half not.
I don't like that.
Okay, so what should we do?
Should you tie it? Or is either tie or leave it flowing? One of the two.
Turn around. Don't do that old tucking in the kid shit.
You don't have one. Y'all don't. Oh, y'all. When I say I done ate everything under the sun, look. Oh, it done focused on the belly. This is the real. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Listen, nobody came to Cabo not to eat. That's all I'm going to say. Let me show you guys my outfits. I had on the brown dress earlier. I don't know if I showed you all or not. Come in, girl. But yeah, I had on the tan dress earlier, so I put on my dark brown chocolate one. We just got out of the shower, washing all the sand off us and out of our hair. Y'all, when I say it was sand in my cooter and my booter, it was sand in my cooter and my booter. I was like, oh my God, what the freak? It's real out there in the sand, seriously. So, oh, I better not lean over this and get my booty wet. So yeah, I'm just wearing my little snakeskin bag with my little shoes to match. Of course, you know I got those Ray-Bans hooked on, latched, cock-locked, and loaded to block that good vitamin D from entering into my eyeballs. Because y'all know that's where you get your vitamin D from, through your eyes. If you didn't know, you learned today. So, I just threw my hair up in a bun because, like I said, I just got done shampooing it. And this is what it is. When I say I haven't worn a face beat the whole time in Cabo,
Hot?
I'm getting it together tomorrow.
It's hot as fish grease.
Hot is too hot to be wearing makeup, in my opinion.
Sticky, icky.
But I really would have beat my face. I would have yesterday for the wedding, but I did a few faces yesterday for the wedding for my sister-in-law. And oh my God, y'all, it was so freaking beautiful, so pretty. Excuse this little dirty mirror, but it's okay. Y'all see me, Girl, my belly, oh my God. When you take a picture, it's just, no, you don't breathe till you leave, okay? That means you don't breathe till you're done taking your picture. Period.
Period, boo.
Okay, so I will see you guys in a minute. Yeah, because we about to go shopping. Yeah. So yes, we're going to our ride. Oh, y'all, I smell so good. Oh my gosh. I have on the Joe Malone, of course, Mirror and Tonka. It's my second, I think, third time wearing it maybe. Hi. How are you? I'm good. And I'm wearing it. I'm sitting up here with you.
Sure. Where are you headed?
To the market.
Okay. How many people?
3. They need to come on. So yeah, we're headed to the market. So I will see you guys in a minute. Unless you want to go along this ride with me. Y'all want to ride? Y'all want to ride? Not really? Maybe. Oh, my glasses are clean. No, RJ don't want to be in the video. What's all you doing? She is always the slow one. This lady. What is it with ladies always taking forever? Not me. I'll be ready.
Then what you see, them problems.
Yes, I love those. I love those.
Oh, so that's where y'all was studying the Bible at?
Oh, that's Bible study. Oh, okay.
Bible study.
Bible study. I wonder if it's U.S. dollars.
You were just saying it. Oh my God, they're all on your feet.
Oh my God! They do too.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I'm still here to sleep in my boys. This is our last day in Cabo. It's been absolutely wonderful. So my mother-in-law and I are just sitting on the back patio, relaxing. My son was out here, but he went in. So yeah, hope you guys had a great weekend as well. We're outside, guys. We're outside. Wait. My son always tell me the camera be all up in my grizzle, all in my face. So this is my outfit. Let me see. Let me stand you guys up. 1 second. It's gonna be a little turbulence, so bear with me. Okay, we got it. Hold on. Let me stand y'all up. Oh. Okay. So this is my outfit. Water's from my hair, but shoes. And guys, I got this outfit. I purchased it from Marshall's. It's cute, cute, cute. I matched it up real quick. I have water on my clothes from my hair, of course, wetting my hair. So yeah, I'm about to go take some pictures. Wait on my daughter and my niece to get here, and then we'll go have a bite to eat, and then we're just gonna go around and take pictures. So, cause I have a few pictures, but oh yeah, the blood just almost through my mouth. Yes, yeah. Oh, there he is. No, he's going. See you, Jizzle. See you, Jizzle. Messing with Jizzle. So they are leaving to go get food. I'm waiting on my daughter and my niece to get here, and then we'll go. So they have to bring their luggage over here to our room. We got a late checkout at 12 instead of leaving at 11. So
Why'd you do that?
what you? I'm walking. What you want me to?
Yes.
No, it's stuff flying in my face.
TT, you should take pictures in that little farm over there. Get the background in. Which one? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, those big pretty like palm. Oh, because they have the palm tree. Right there. I was trying very hard on the phone to call him.